Sometimes you may be commenting on any post on Threads, and sometimes you may receive so many replies, and in that, some replies will be bad comments. So if you want to set those comment replies in a way that only if you're approving that comment it'll be shown, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do that. For this, open the Threads application. After opening, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the Replies option. Click on Replies. When you're clicking on that, here you can see every post that you've commented on.
And for example, I'm selecting this post. And after that, here you can see the comments section. Click on this comment section. When you're clicking on that, here you can see every comment. And here, my comment is also there. And sometimes if you're commenting on a new post, you can comment, and after commenting, you can see that comment here. And next to that, you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Post Options. Click on Post Options. And here, first you can see who can reply and quote. Here you can set it according to your need. If you want everyone to comment, you can set it to anyone.
Or if you want only followers to comment, you can set it to your followers. Or if you want only persons you follow to comment, you can set it to profiles you follow. And the Profile You Mention option is also there. Anyways, after setting up this, here you can see Review and Approve Replies. If it's turned off, just turn on this. After this, if anyone is commenting also, only if you're approving that, that'll appear as a reply. So this way you can easily set this. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.